Namaste everyone.
Namaste.
My name is Jitendra Rabbi. I'm the past president of Arya Samaj of Suburban New York. This Havan and the bhajan following the Havan is a Shraddhanjali for Mataji. Many of us in the Westchester, New York community knew Mataji in various capacities. And everybody who came across her got attached to Mataji, fell in love with Mataji, and Mataji was so caring that she always kept everybody that she came across in her mind and in her prayers. So this is a Shraddhanjali for Mataji. We will start the Havan by chanting Om 3 times, and the format is the straightforward Havan that we used to do in Arya Samaj, or we currently do in Arya Samaj of Suburban New York. So we'll take a deep breath, and when we exhale, we'll say Om. We'll do it 3 times, followed by Gayatri Mantra, and then all the other Sandhya and Havan mantras. So take a deep breath. Om. Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanno Devi Rabhishtare Apo Bhavantu Pitaye Shanyorabhisravantu Na. Om Vak Vak, Om Prana Prana, Om Chakshu Chakshu, Om Shrotam Shrotam, Om Nabhi, Om Hridayam, Om Kantha, Om Shiraha, Om Bahubhyam Yasho Balam, Om Katarka Prishthe. Om Bhu Punatu Shirasi, Om Bhuva Punatu Netrayo, Om Swaha Punatu Kanthe, Om Maha Punatu Hridaye, Om Jana Punatu Nabhyam, Om Tapa Punatu Padayo, Om Khambram Punatu Punashirasi, Om Khambram Punatu Sarvatra. Om Bhu, Om Bhuva, Om Swaha, Om Maha, Om Jana, Om Tapa, Om Satyam. अगले मंत्र जो हम करने जा रहे हैं, इनको पाप न करने की कामना करने के मंत्र कहते हैं. ओम ऋतंच सत्यंच अभिदात पशु अध्यजायत ततो रात्र जायत तथा समुद्रो अन्नवा. ओम समुद्राद अन्नवादि संवत्सरो अजायत अहोरात्राणि विदधद्विवश्यमिषतो वशी. Om Surya Chandramasau Dhata Yatha Purvamakalpayat Divancha Prithvi Chantarikshamatho Swaha. Om Shanno Devi Ravishtaye Apo Bhavantu Pitaye Shayo Ravisravantu Na. अभी हम मनसा परिक्रमा के मंत्र करेंगे. जैसे हम मंदिर में जाके जो मेन मूर्ति होती है उसकी परिक्रमा करते हैं, क्योंकि ईश्वर सर्वव्यापक है, तो मन से ईश्वर की परिक्रमा करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो हर दिशा से हमारी रक्षा कर रहा है, हमारी पालन पोषण कर रहा है. तो ये 6 मंत्र हैं जो क्लॉकवाइज जाते हैं, ईस्ट, साउथ, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, बिलो एंड अबव, ये 6 मंत्र हैं। सो मनसा परिक्रमा के मंत्र करिए। ओम प्राचीदिगग्निरधिपतिरसितो रक्षितादित्या ईश्व तेभ्यो नमो अधिपतिभ्यो नमो रक्षितृभ्यो नमः ईशुभ्यो नमः एभ्यो अस्तु। योऽस्मान् वेष्टियं वयं दुष्मस्तं भोजं वेदद्मः। ओम दक्षिणादिगेन्द्रो अधिपतिस्थिरस्थिराजी रक्षिता पितर ईश्व तेभ्यो नमो अधिपतिभ्यो नमो रक्षितृभ्यो नमः ईशुभ्यो नमः एभ्यो अस्तु। योऽस्मान् वेष्टियं वयं विष्मस्तं भोजं वेदद्मः। ओम प्रतीचि दिग्वनो अधिपति प्रदाकु रक्षिता अन्नमिश्व तेभ्यो नमो अधिपतिभ्यो नमो रक्षितृभ्यो नमः ईशुभ्यो नमः एभ्यो अस्तु। ओस्मान् वेष्टियं वयं दुष्मस्तं भोजं वेदद्मः। ओम उदीची दिक्सोमो अधिपति स्वजो रक्षिता शनिर्विश्व तेभ्यो नमो अधिपतिभ्यो
नमो
रक्षितृभ्यो नमः ईशुभ्यो नमः एभ्यो अस्तु। योऽस्मान् वेष्टियं वयं दुष्मस्तं भोजं वेदद्मः। ओम ध्रुवा दिग्विष्णुरधिपति कल्माशग्रीवो रक्षिता विरुद्ध ईश्व तेभ्यो नमो अधिपतिभ्यो नमो रक्षितृभ्यो नमः ईशुभ्यो नमः एभ्यो अस्तु। योऽस्मान् वेष्टियं वयं दुष्मस्तं भोजं वेदद्मः। ओम ऊर्ध्वा दिग्बृहस्पतिरधिपति शवित्रो रक्षिता वर्षमिश्व तेभ्यो नमो अधिपतिभ्यो नमो रक्षितृभ्यो नमः ईशुभ्यो नमः एभ्यो अस्तु। योऽस्मान् वेष्टियं वयं दुष्मस्तं भोजं वेदद्मः। इसके बाद उपस्थान मंत्र करेंगे। उपस्थान का मंत्रों का मतलब यही है कि हम ईश्वर के बिल्कुल करीब, जैसा कि ईश्वर की गोदी में बैठे हुए हैं और माता पिता के जैसा वो हमारा पालन पोषण और रक्षा करना है। ओम उद्वयं तमसस्परि स्वाहा पश्यन्त उत्तरं देवं देवता सूर्यमगनं ज्योतिरुतमम्। ओम उदित्यं जातवेदसं देवं वहन्ति केतव दृशे विश्वाय सूर्यम्। ओम चित्रं देवानामुद्गादनीकं चक्षुमित्रस्य वर्णस्याग्ने अप्राध्यावा पृथ्वी अंतरिक्षं सूर्य आत्मा अस्तु षष्ठ स्वाहा। ओम तक्षुर्देवहितं पुरुषा चुकुमचरत् पश्येम शरदा शतं जीवेम शरदा शतं श्रियाम शरदा शतं प्रब्रवाम शरदा शतमदीना स्याम शरदा शतं भूयश्च शरदा शतात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि यो यो न प्रचोदयात्। समर्पण मंत्र। हे ईश्वर दयानिधे भवत कृपया अनेन जपोपासनादि कर्मणा धर्मार्थ काम मोक्षाणां सद्या सिद्धिर्भवेन। ओम नमः शंभवाय मयो भवाय च नमः शंकराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We've just completed Sandhya We will start the Ishwar Stuti Prarthana Upasana Mantra. So Saath dijiye, if you are familiar with them, please join us. Om Vrishmani Deva Savita Durita Nikara Supa Yad Bhadram Panna Asma Om Hiranyagarbha Samavadata Bhutasya Jata Matireka Asti Sadadhara Prithvi Dhyamudeva Kasmai Devaya Havisha Om Ya Atmada Balada Yadika Upasati Prashisham Yasya Deva Yasya Chivaya Amritam Yasya Mrityu Kasmai Devaya Adhisharima Om Ya Pranato Nimishato Mahipaika Indraja Jagato Bhavva Ye Ishe Asyadu Pada Chatushpada Kasmai Devaya Adhisharima Om Yena Daurgra Prithvi Yatrala Yena Swastamitam Yena Naka Yo Antarikshena Jaso Vimana Tasmai Devaya Havisharima Om Prajapate Natade Pranyo Vishwajatani Paritava Yatkama Setu Masano Atuvayam Syama Patayo Varima Om Sanno Andurjanita Sadidhata Dhamani Veda Bhuvanani Vishwa Yatra Deva Amritamana Shana Tritiye Dhamanna Vedayanda Om Agni Naya Supatharai Asman Vishwai Deva Vayuna Nidma Yuyu Dasma Juhura Navino Bhuishtam Te Namakin Vidhema. We will do Achman. People can join us with a little cup of water, and you can have a little candle also with it. So if you don't have the water, you can symbolically participate in the process. We'll take some water in our right hand, and after reciting this mantra, we will sip it. Om Amrito Pasanamasi Swaha. For the second time. Om Amrita Pidhanamasi Swaha. Take it for the third time. Om Satyam Yasha Shrimai Shri Satam Swaha. Now wipe your right hand and take some water in your left hand this time. And using the middle finger and ring finger of the right hand, we will dip it in the water and purify various parts of our body from the right to the left. Om Vangame Ate Astu. Om Dasome Astu. Om Akshome Astu. Om Karnome Astu. Om Bahume Balamastu. Om Urvume Astu. Om Arishtani Mengani Tanasavame Sahasantu. तो दीपक प्रज्वलित करेंगे.
रंजना चोपड़ा और वो कहते हैं उसकी बेटी अंजलि गोस्वामी दूसरी वाली भी है.
ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा Om
भूर्भुवः
भूर्भुवस्सुरिवभुमना
नानि
पृथिवी वरेमना
वनः
नमस्ते पृथिवी देवयजने
रजनी
पृष्ठे अग्निमन्ना मन्ना ध्यायातदे ओम उद्भुत स्वाग्ने प्रतिजाग्रहि अमिष्ठा पूते सजं सजेथामयञ्च अस्मिन् सदस्ते अद्युतरस्मिन् विश्वे देव यजमानस्य With the next 4 mantras, we will take some samidha, piece of wood, dip it in ghee and offer it to the Havan Kund. The first piece at the end of the first mantra, the second piece at the end of the third mantra, and the fourth at the end of the fourth mantra. The third, okay. Om Ayanta Idma
आत्मा चातवेद
Dasva
स्वचेत वर्धया च प्रजया पशुभिः ब्रह्मवर्चसे तेन स्वाहा
Om Samidha Agnim Duvasya Kritre Bodhayataditya Asmin Havya Juhotana Om Samidhaya Shoti Kritam Tivram Juhotana Agnaye Jatve Idam Agnaye
आत्मवेद से अधनमम
Om Tantava Samiti Mangiro Brite Navadayamasi Prachochaya Vishtaye Swaha. With the next mantra, we will recite 5 times and offer a spoonful of ghee into the Havan Kund. We all know that fire, Agni, is very divine in our culture. इस मंत्र का अर्थ यही है the fire has many divine qualities. It is a source of light. It is a source of heat. It is a source of energy. It symbolizes the source of life on earth, that is the sun. And it also symbolizes the energy within us that keeps us going. So this mantra is basically saying that this piece of wood that I'm offering to Agni, it is a symbol of my soul. So we are praying to Agni and saying that please take the symbol of my soul and transform it so that I become divine and I get on the path of divinity. So that is symbolically the meaning of this mantra. And we will recite it 5 times. Om Ayanta Idma Atma
आत्मवेद से स्वचेत वर्धया आधेन समेधय स्वाहा
Om Ayanta
अंत इत्म आत्मा स्वचेत वर्धया चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिः नादेन समेधय स्वाहा ॐ यन्त इद्म आत्मा स्वचेत वर्धया आत्मान् प्रजया पशुभिः ब्रह्मवर्चसे नादेन समेधय स्वाहा वेदसे स्वचेत वर्धया चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिः ब्रह्मवर्चसे नादेन समेधय स्वाहा इद्म आत्मा जात स्वचेत वर्धया चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिः ब्रह्मवर्चसे नादेन समेधय स्वाहा
Now we will sprinkle some water, first to the east, then to the west, then to the north, then all around one pool. We want to make sure that the Agni remains in control. Om Adite Anumanasva.
Swaha.
Om Anumate Anumanasva. Om Saraswate Anumanasva.
Anumanasva.
Om Deva Savita Prasuvayagyam
Suvayakyam
Prasuvayagya
Aya.
Gandharva
Ramadveta.
Kirtana Punaruva Chaspati Vajana Swadatu. So we have some short mantras, Savi Ishwar ke naam hai. They come in quick succession, so we will give the ghee ahuti. Om Agnaye Swaha Namam.
Namam.
Om Somaye Swaha Somaye.
Damam.
Om Prajapate Swaha Prajapate Namam.
Namam.
Om Indraye Swaha Indraye
Namam.
Om Bhuragnaye Swaha Namam.
Namam.
Om Bhurvaye Swaha Namam.
Namam.
Om Swarajyaye Swaha Namam.
Namam.
Om Bhurbhava Swaragniva
Devya
Namam. We will skip the next mantra, the Pachatapka mantra, it will come in the end. Om Bhurbhava Swaha Ayushi Pavasva Sukhorjamishanchana Are Bhadasvaduchanam Swaha Inamagnaye Pamanaye. Om Bhurbhava Swaha Rishi Pavama Janya Puro Mahe Mahagayam Swaha Pamanaye Dhamman. Om Bhurbhava Swaha Agni Pavaspa Asme Vachana Sudhiyam Dadiyam Mai Posham Swaha Pamanaye Dhamman.
Namam.
Om Bhurbhava Swaha Pate
Etananyo.
Jatani Paritava Bhuma Yatyamaste Juhum Astupayam Shyama
Rahinam Swaha.
Prajapate
Namam.
Now at this point, one person will continue to offer ghee ahuti.
हाँ जी नमस्ते भरा जी
समग्री है ना
कोई मैं सोचा मैं गीत दिया
ओम तन्नो अग्नि वरुणस्य विद्वान् देवस्य हेलो अवयाशशिष्ट यजिष्ठो वहितमाशो शुचानो विश्वादेशांसि प्रमुमस्वस् स्वाहा वन्नाभ्याम
Namam.
स्वतन्नो अग्ने आवमो भूभूति दिष्टौ अस्या उषसौ भयुष्ठौ अवयक्षनो वरुणं रणानो विहिमिडीकं सुहोन एधि स्वाहा वन्नाभ्याम ओम इमं मे वर्ण शुद्धि हवमद्या च मर्या त्वामवसुरा च के स्वाहा इदं वर्णाय धन्मम् ओम तत्वायामि ब्रह्मणा वन्दमान सदा शास्त्रे यजमानो
Virabi Yajamano.
दुष्चमाना आयु प्रमोषी
Oshi Swaha.
ओम ये ते शतं वरुण ये शतं यजा पाशा वित्तामः सवितोत विष्णु विश्वे मनुष्यन्तु मरुता स्वर्गा स्वाहा सवित्रे विश्वेभ्यो देशेभ्यो मर्तेभ्यो स्वर्गेभ्यो धन्मम्
Namam.
ओम अयाशा अग्ने असि नभिषस्ति सपास सत्वमित्वम अयासि अयानो यजं वहासयानो देहि भेषजं स्वाहा ऐसे धनमम ओम उदतमं वक्नपास्मादमं विमध्यमं शठाय अथा वयमादित्य व्रते तवानागसो आदित्य श्याम स्वाहा इदं वनाय आदित्य
धनमं
ओम भवतना समनसौ सचेतसा वरे
परे पसो
यज्ञं हितं यज्ञपतिं जातवेदसौ शिवो भवतमध्यना स्वाहा
स्वाहा
इदं जातवेदोभ्याम् इदं नमः ओम सूर्यो ज्योति ज्योति
ज्योतिर्
स्वाहा ओम सूर्यो वचो
ज्योतिर्वचः स्वाहा
ओम ज्योति सूर्य सूर्यो
सूर्यो
स्वाहा
ज्योतिर्वचः स्वाहा
ओम सजुदेवेन सवित्रा सजुरुषेन्द्रवत्या जुषानो सूर्यो वेतु स्वाहा ओम अग्निर्ज्योति ज्योति
ज्योतिरग्नि स्वाहा
ओम अग्निर्वचो ज्योति
ज्योतिर्वचः स्वाहा
मंत्र है साइलेंट ओम स्वाहा ओम सजुदेवेन सवित्रा सजुरात्मेन्द्रवत्या जुषानो अग्निर्वेतु स्वाहा ओम भूरग्नाय प्राणाय स्वाहा
प्राणाय धनमं
ओम भूर्वाय प्राणाय स्वाहा
धनमं
ओम स्वात्याय ज्ञानाय
स्वाहा
स्वात्याय ज्ञानाय
नाय धनमं
ओम भूर्भुवः स्वरितेभ्यः
स्वाहा
स्वाहा इदमग्नि वायुवादितेभ्यः
दिव्याय धनमं
ओम आपो ज्योतिरसो अमृतं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः स्वरो स्वाहा ओम यां मेधां देवगणा पितरशोपासते तया मां मध्यमेधया अग्ने मेधाविनं कुरु स्वाहा ओम विश्वानि देव
अनि परासुवा
यद्भद्रं
तन्न आसुवा
ओम अग्नेनाय सुपथाराय विश्वानि
निदेव वयुनानि विद्वान्
यो दस्मजुहुरा
पुराणमेनो
ते नमो
मुक्तिं विदेवम्
We will recite Gayatri Mantra 3 times. Om
भवा स्वाहा देवस्य धीमहि यो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि यो न प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा
Om
भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं देवस्य धीमहि
yo na
न प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा
We will recite Mahamrityunjay mantra 3 times. Om Trayambakam
यजमहे सुगन्धिं वर्धनं उर्वारुकमिव वन्दना
Om
त्र्यम्बकं यजमहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् रुक्रमिव वन्दना मुक्षीयमामृतात्
ओम त्र्यंबकं
यजामहे सुगंधिं
पुष्टिवर्धनम्
वर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दना प्रियं रवितात।
Now we will go back and complete the पश्चाताप मंत्र। तो ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं इस मंत्र के द्वारा कि अगर हमारे हवन में कोई कमी रह गई हो तो इस आहुति से ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि हमारे हवन को पूर्ण समझें। ओम यज्ञस्य कर्मणो अत्यरीरिचं यद्वानो नमिवाकरम्।
यहाँ तक कि अली के बाद अगर कोई मैटर करता है इस घर में जैसे
Yeah, hold on for a second, please. We just want to get some prashad. ओम यज्ञस्य कर्मणो अत्यरीरिचं यद्वानो नमिहाकरम् अग्निष्टकृते सर्वं स्वेष्टं सहूतं करोतु मे अग्नये स्विष्टकृते सहूतहुते सर्वप्रायश्चिताहुति कामानां समजित्रे सर्वानां कामान् समद्रे स्वाहा इदमग्नये स्विष्टकृते धन्नमम्। The next mantra is also silent. Om Swaha Idam Prajapate Dhanamam. Now we'll do the Purnahuti now. Om Purna. Om Purnamida Purnamidam Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम सर्वं वै पूर्णत्वं स्वाहा ओम सर्वं वै पूर्णत्वं स्वाहा ओम सर्वं वै पूर्णत्वं स्वाहा। गीता जी
चित्रा जी
हाँ जी, तो चंद्र जी कैन स्टार्ट द यज्ञ प्रार्थना
जी। हमारे भाव उज्जवल कीजिए छोड़ देंगे छल कपट को मानसिक बल दीजिए वेद की गाहे रचाए सत्य को हर्ष में हो अपने सारे शोक सागर से अश्वमेधाधिक रचाए यज्ञ को धर्म मर्यादा चला कर लाभ दे संसार को नित्य श्रद्धा भक्ति से आदि हम करते रोग पीड़ित विश्व के संताप सब हरते रहे भावना मिट जाए मन से पाप अत्याचार की कामनाएं पूर्ण होंगे, यज्ञ से नार की लाभकारी हो हवन हर जीवधारी के लिए। वायु जन सर्वत्र हो शुभ गंध को धारण किए, स्वार्थ भाव मिटे हमारा प्रेम पथ विस्तार हो। इदं मम का सार्थक प्रत्येक में व्यवहार हो, प्रेम रस में मग्न होकर वंदना कर रहे नाथ करुणा रूप आपकी पूजनीय प्रभु हमारे भाव उज्ज्वल कीजिए। छोड़ दे मेरे छल कपट को, मानसिक बल कीजिए प्रभु, मानसिक बल कीजिए।
Thank you very much, Chandraji. I just wanted to recite a couple of mantras that are relevant at this occasion. These mantras are from Ishopanishad, and I will try to do the best in explaining the meaning of them. Ishopanishad is the 40th chapter of the Yajurveda. So since the Rig Veda came first, so many philosophers think that the 40th, that is the last chapter of the Yajurveda, captures the essence of the Rig Veda as well as the essence of the Yajurveda. So we will go through 3 mantras of it that are relevant for this occasion. The first mantra is Hiranyamena patrena satya sapi tamukham tatvam pu shannapavrato satya dharmaya drishtaye. So as the भक्त, ईश्वर का जो भक्त है, वो वृद्ध अवस्था में आकर मटीरियल वर्ल्ड से, ये भौतिक जगत से एक तरह से ऊब गया है और वो ईश्वर का ज्ञान पाना चाहता है, तो वो देखता है कि ईश्वर और भौतिक जगत में एक ढक्कन है जो कि एक तरह से पर्दा बना हुआ है। तो ये ढक्कन सुनहरा है और ढक्कन काफी भारी है। तो भक्त, he is not able to actually lift the lid that is actually like a barrier between the bhakt as well as Ishwar. So because it's very heavy, he is praying to God. He is saying that, hey Ishwar, मेरी मदद करो, मैं आपको जानना चाहता हूँ। तो लेकिन हमारे बीच में ये ढक्कन एक बैरियर सा बना हुआ है, एक पर्दा सा बना हुआ है, तो मेरी मदद करो ताकि ये ढक्कन उठ जा सके, ताकि मैं आपके दर्शन पा सकूं। तो that is the essence of this mantra. तो दूसरा मंत्र कहता है पूषण ने कर्ष्यम सूर्या प्रजापत्या व्यू रश्मिन समोह तेजो यत्ते रूपम कल्याण कथम नश्मिन यो असावो पुरुषो सो अस्मि। तो दूसरा मंत्र ये कहता है, ये दिस इज आई थिंक द भक्त इज had almost passed away, or from his deathbed, he is thinking about God. He's saying, God, I really want to see what you look like. I want to see your true self, but I'm finding that you're giving a lot of your light to a lot of these planets. जैसे सूर्य को आपकी रोशनी जा रही है, चंद्र को आपकी रोशनी जा रही है, and you're lighting up so many other objects in this universe. Please take back that energy, take back that light, take back that radiance back, so that I can see what your true self is. You know. So then he says that now I can see you. I can see you. You're so much like me. You're nourishing and nurturing this universe, and I'm nourishing and nurturing this body. You're so much like me. You're doing at the macro level. I'm doing at the micro level. The next mantra says, Vayur anilam amrutam thedam basmantam shariram om kritosmara klidesmara krutosmara klidesmara. ये मंत्र बेसिकली कहता है कि हमारी जो आत्मा है वो अमर है, और जो शरीर जो मटेरियल वर्ल्ड की चीजों से बना हुआ है वो नश्वर है. The body is destructible, but the soul is indestructible. और ये, for the people who are left behind, there's a message saying Om Kritosmara Klidesmara Krutosmara Klidesmara. तो बेसिकली ये कहते हैं कि मंत्र कहता है कि सोते जागते उठते बैठते ईश्वर का ध्यान करो, अपने कर्मों का ध्यान करो, और ये ध्यान रखो कि अभी भी आपके पास समय है. अगर कोई गलत काम आपने किया है, गलत कर्म किए हैं, तो उससे छुटकारा पाने के लिए आपके पास अभी भी समय है. जीवन में परिवर्तन लाओ. तो कृतोस्मरा Klidesmara, Kritosmara, Klidesmara. So that is the essence of these three mantras. I'm sure Mataji was pretty much experiencing the same thing. And there is a lesson that we all have to learn from Mataji's demise. We all will remember Mataji in our prayers. And she was so loving and so caring to every one of us that she will always be in our memories. Thank you very much. Over to you, Geetaji.
थैंक यू जितेंद्र जी. आप सभी को मेरा नमस्ते. मेरा नाम है गीता गुप्ता. मैं कुछ लोगों को जानती हूँ, कुछ से परिचित नहीं हूँ. तो बस मैं आप सबसे मिलके आज अच्छा लग रहा है. काफी लोगों से को मैं पहले से नहीं जानती. तो मैं बस यही कहना चाहूंगी सबसे पहले तो माता जी के लिए कि she indeed is a great soul, that she was able to create such a big family around her, and it shows it today that we are all here together for her. So I haven't met her, but I can only imagine what a great soul she was. So just on behalf of Arya Samaj, I just wanted to say a few things. I have been the past president of Arya Samaj of suburban New York, and I understand you all have been the members and have been coming in past at some point. So what we've done is we've also started a Vedic Sanskriti school in Arya Samaj. So along with our regular meetings, we are also running the school, and in a period of 2 years, along with another VSS in Houston, we have grown to 6 Arya Samajas, 6 Vedic Sanskriti schools. One second.
Ma, you want to say something?
So I just wanted to once again thank everyone for coming here, as well as I would also like to request all our past members whom I'm seeing here some of them for the first time, to help us support our Vedic Sanskriti school initiatives. As in the last 2 years, we've grown to 6 schools in different states, your support will be really appreciated. Thank you once again. I think we can have Jitendra ji a couple of bhajans now by Chandar ji. Hanji, Chandar ji.
Can we speak about Mataji?
After the.
Okay.
After
Okay,
the
thank
bhajans.
you. Because
Yeah.
Mummy wanted to say a couple of words.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank
After the
you.
bhajans, we have them.
Thank you.
Thank you, Geeta ji. Anybody else wants to sing also, they can do too if they want to. Jay. Just now we were talking about the Atma, so this is from Shankaracharya ji, Atma bhajan, you know. Shivoham, 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 Amar Atma Sachidanand mein Shivoham, जिसे शास्त्र काटे न अग्नि जलावे न पानी गलावे न मृत्यु मिटावे अमर आत्मा सच्चिदानंद शिवोहम शिवोहम यही ज्ञान अर्जुन को हरि ने सुनाया यही ज्ञान वेदों में ऋषियों ने गाया वही आत्मा शिवोहम शिवोहम नित्योहम शुद्धोहम बुद्धोहम मुक्तोहम शिवोहम शिवोहम है तारों सितारों में प्रकाश जिसका है चांद और सूरज में आभास जिसका वही आत्मा शिवोहम शिवोहम अमर आत्मा है मरणशील काया अमर आत्मा है मरणशील काया सभी प्राणियों के जो भीतर समाया वही
सच्चिदानंद शिवोहम शिवोहम शिव शिवोहम शिवोहम शिव Sing now for Mataji one bhajan. She used to like it a lot, so I remember that. ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ऐसे हो हमारे करम नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी अभी लाखों है इसमें कमी पर तू जो खड़ा है दयालु पड़ा तेरी कृपा से धरती थमी दिया तूने हमें जब जन्म तू ही झेलेगा सबके गम नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ये अंधेरा खाना छा रहा तेरा इंसान घबरा हो रहा बेखबर कुछ न आता नजर सुख का सूरज छुपा जा रहा है तेरी रोशनी में खुदम तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम नेकी पर चले और बदी ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम जब जुल्मों का हो सामना तब तू ही हमें थामना वो बुराई करे हम भलाई करे नहीं बदले की हो बढ़ उठे प्यार का हर कदम और मिटे बैर का ये भरम नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ऐसे हो हमारे करम नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम जोत से जोत जलाते चलो
एक मिनट sorry just requesting if you are not talking please stay on mute because दो आवाजें एक साथ आ रही हैं तो there is echo for all the others
thank you गीता जी thank
हाँ जी चंद्र जी
जोत से जोत जलाते चलो प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो राह में आए जो दीन दुखी राह में आए जो दीन दुखी सबको गले से लगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला, जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। प्यार के मोती, प्यार के मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। कौन है ऊंचा, कौन है नीचा, सब में वो ही समाया। भेद भाव के झूठे भरम में ये मानव भरमाया। धर्म ध्वजा की फहराते चलो, धर्म ध्वजा की फहराते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जलाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। सारे जग के कण कण में है दिव्य अमर एक आत्मा, सारे जग के कण कण में है दिव्य अमर एक आत्मा। एक ब्रह्म है, एक सत्य है, एक ही है परमात्मा। प्राणों से प्राण मिलाते चलो, प्राणों से प्राण मिलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। थैंक यू जी।
Thank you, Chandra ji. We will have one more bhajan. Savita ji, आप गाएंगी? सविता आहूजा जी.
Excuse me, Geeta. I think people who were also close to Mataji, like Rekha and Mohinder and Ranjana Chopra, I think everybody was close, but they spent a lot of time together. They should be able to speak a few words on Mataji. Thank you.
Yes, Manjuji, sorry. So, we will do one more bhajan, and after that, if you would like to speak, just send me in the chat, and I will just we'll go.
No, I
in
don't
order.
want to speak, but I'm saying people who were close to her may be able to speak some words about her.
Absolutely, we would like to do that. That will be next. And if anybody would like to speak, just send me your name in the chat. So we will go in the order that I received the names. But yes,
Okay.
we all would like to listen about Mataji right after
Thank you.
this one more bhajan.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Manjuji. Yeah. Savita ji.
रात गवाए सोए के दिवस गवायो खाए के हीरा जन्म अमोल है कौड़ी बदले जाए तूने रात गवाए सोए के माटी कहे कुम्हार से तू क्यों रोंधे मोए एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं रोंदूंगी तो तूने रात गवाई सोए के दिवस गवायो खाए के हीरा जन्म अमोल है कौड़ी बदले जाए तूने रात गवाई सोए के चलती चक्की देख के दिया कबीरा रोए दो पाटन के बीच में साबुत बचान कोई चलती चक्की देख के दिया कबीरा रोए दो पाटन के बीच में साबुत बचान को तूने रात गवाई सोए के दिवस गवायो खाए के हीरा जन्म अमोल है कौड़ी बदले जाए तूने रात गवाई सोए के Thank you.
Thank you, Savita ji. I'll read one message on the chat, and that is from Kanta Asrani ji. Mataji was a loving and independent soul. She had kind words and delicious food for everyone. It was her way of expressing her love over the years. I watched her turn from a fiercely independent and physically active woman to a frail and emotionally vulnerable person. We all tried our best to offer our support in any way possible. As a community, we have to understand our responsibility towards the elderly who are often lonely and looking for some show of support and affection towards the last stages of their life. I thank all of you who helped make her life a little better. We also have Shanno Nair ji would like to speak. Yes.
I am Shanno Nair speaking. Maybe. My name is Shanno Nair. I was very close to Mataji I would like to say few words only. At the last week, when she made me very emotional, she said, Shano, can I request you one thing? I say, yes, Mataji, anything. She said, Shano, can you call me every day? I said, Mataji, I'm calling you every day, every morning and every evening. She said, can you call me before I go to bed? I said, sure, I will call you. What time you go to bed? Well, actually, it's 10 o'clock. You can call me before even, but ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਫੀ ਦੇ ਦੇਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਬਾਥਰੂਮ ਚ ਹੁੰਨੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਟੈਲੀਫੋਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੁੱਕ ਸਕਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਫੀ ਨਾ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਰੋ ਇਟਸ ਮਾਈ duty to call you. So sometimes she said, then the another word, she said, Sharna, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਉਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪਤਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਰਫ 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦਾ ਫਰਕ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਫਿਰ ਵੱਡਾ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਵੱਡੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਭੈਣ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਭੈਣ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਭੈਣ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਪਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਚੜਿਆ ਹੈ ਐਜ਼ ਏ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਵੀ ਸੇ ਦੈਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਈਸ ਸ਼ੰਨੂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਿ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਐਨੀਥਿੰਗ ਯੂ ਟੈਲ ਮੀ ਆਮ ਰੈਡੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇਰਾ ਲਵ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੋ last time when she burnt herself and I say how you could burn when I tell you you take another aid if if one aid not available you can ask for another aid and they can help you and then she went to the hospital and she said Shanu please call me I'm back so I said thank goodness Mataji you are okay so all I can say that I love her I respect her and I pray for her soul that the way she helped people the way she told me her life story and she said then write my story in a book bachpan to leke till she passed away she told me the story of her life I cannot forget her thank you very much for everybody
Thank you very much for Jaiji.
Thank you.
Can I request Ranjana ji to say a few words about Mataji?
Thank you, Parjai ji.
Thank you, Parjai ji.
I want to first thank the Arya Samaj and I want to thank the Abi family for providing their support to Mataji. At her funeral service, at such short notice because the Panditji couldn't make it, the Abi family went and conducted a havan by her casket in the funeral home. That was in the time of coronavirus, that was a very noble act. So we just thank you first and we thank the Arya Samaj, the fact that you hosted this memorial service and all our old friends from Westchester, all of them are here because we were all so close to Mataji. We've all eaten her samosas and parathas and she was so loving. The paragraph that is written in the flyer that came announcing this was written by our 2 daughters, Divya and Anjali, because they grew up with Mataji. So they have expressed everything that we feel in that paragraph. So I think that there is nothing that I can say about Mataji that everyone here does not already feel. We thought she was a role model for us. She was so brave through all her illnesses and through all the situations in life. She was always smiling, positive. And when she was with us for over 8 years, She was she was managing, she was like a grandmother to the children. And she was also running the whole house the way she wanted it. That I remember Madhu Pruthi said, it looks like your mother-in-law is living with you. So I said, yes, she is, because she would do, on a happier note, we'd call her and say, Mataji, we are having guests. Can you please make dal, this, this, this? And when we came home, the whole menu was different. Mataji, what happened? She says, your menu was no good. This menu is much better. So she was so close to her. She was like a family member. She truly was a grandmother to the children and a mother-in-law to me, because she called Mohinder her son. So clearly he was closer to her than I was. But it was a very nice time. So I will say thank you again to everyone and turn it over to the next person. And thank you for the first, all the nice remembrances. So Geeta, I turn it back to you.
Thank you, Ranjana ji. Next, I would like to request Rekha ji to speak for Mata ji.
Hello, I'm Rekha. I am right now in Pennsylvania. So thank you for sending us the ID so we could attend this Havan to pay our Shraddhanjali to Mataji. I have known Mataji for at least 25 years. And I always feel like she was my mother in my last birth. But actually today, I think this is a story of a lovely, brave woman who came to this country with like barely an elementary education, no money, not knowing English language. And I actually want to commend this community, the way I think everybody loved her. We all, of course, loved her samosa and her sarson ka saag and her makki ki roti and parathi. But it's the way she created a magnetic field around her for everybody to love her. Just today, all this just tells her how a little woman from a little village in India came to this country and in the community survived. Somebody helped her get a green card, somebody helped her get the citizenship, somebody taught her a little bit English. And I just applaud not just Mataji and this brave woman, but also our community in Westchester County. As a matter of fact, even her aide who helped her loved her. She was with her in her last moments when her ventilator was turned off. A doctor who took care for 25 years, I think is an angel without wings. He stayed with her till her last day. Just to say, a woman who barely spoke the language could even have her physician who loved her. So let's just celebrate her life today and say goodbye to her. And I know she's in a better place, looking and sending us all her blessings. Namaskar. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. And Abhijit, thank you so much for arranging this. And she talked very highly of everybody, Ranjana and Mohinder, especially you guys. The time she spent with you and the family love you gave her was amazing.
Thank you, Rekha ji. I would like to ask Manju Khanna ji to speak a few words. आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Yeah, it's time to say goodbye to her and Shraddhanjali to her. Last I saw her when I was leaving for California, and I have never seen her cry. And she was crying so much. Mera kya hoga? And I would say, Mera kya hoga? This was the thing between two of us. Because like Ranjana said, that she was in charge of the house. She came to my house for 13, 14 years, every single week or sometimes 2 times a week, and cook for me and my family. And I used to say, ki aap nahi hogi to mera kya hoga? So last when I spoke to her, that was about a week before she passed away or 10 days before passed away. And I remember her saying that, ab mere se nahi hoega. अब मेरी जाति की मैं चलूं. मैंने कहा माता जी आपको शांति चाहिए, आप बहुत कष्ट में हो. इतनी नहीं, बस अब मुझे अस्पताल नहीं जाना, बस मैं यही घर पे जाना चाहती हूँ शांति से. And when I found out that she was undergoing through surgery, it was just, I couldn't
express my feeling that what she was going through. But I'm at peace that she found her eternal peace. And I'm grateful that God had given me strength and made me an instrument to serve her. She always used to thank me for doing things, and I said, नहीं माता जी, ऊपर वाले का मुझे इस लायक बनाया कि मैं आपके कुछ कर सकूं, किसी काम आ सकूं. And she was really my role model in a sense that I've learned so much from her in life that whatever you know, you have to serve and give your skills to the community, and it is always helpful. And that has inspired me to do so much of volunteer work, even after I moved here in California. That whatever I need, I know is for my time to serve and share with others. Always little cooking, little whatever she had love that she shared with all of us and brought all of us together here. And thank you so much, Abhi and Rakesh, for organizing this.
Thank you, Manju ji. Usha ji, Usha Kapoor ji, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Remember Mataji so much because I was the one who brought her from Long Island, and when she came and stayed with us, she was very happy and at ease that, you know, I'm happy here. I was going through rough times, she told us. She took care of the children when we were traveling, and she was really good. उसका खाना तो हमेशा आता है और हम समोसे तो हमेशा याद करते हैं. We, you know, every time she, even if I don't call, she will call me. She said, "Tu phone nahi kita mainu, tu phone nahi kita," and she would leave messages and she would call me, and then I call her. She said, "Mera number gum ho gaya." Then I would give her the number, and all the time she would just say, "Mainu phone kita kar, tu mainu phone kita kar." That's what she would say, and she would talk about her, you know, daily life and what she's going through, and we would just, you know, keep her, console her, keep. And then she would say, "मैं माता दा ना भजन करनी." She was very much devoted to Goddess Durga, and she gave me her book also. She said, "ऐ पढ़या कर," and she would read, and she would say, "जदों मैं उदास होनी या कुछ होनी, मैं ऐ पढ़नी है, मैनू भी शांति मिलती है." She was a great lady, very loving, and we'll miss her a lot. And I know Manju and we go back so much. And when her cousin came, she brought her cousin to me and she would live with me. So she was always there. And anytime you need, you ask her to make something, she will make, she never refuses. So we just pray that her soul, she's somewhere now, I think in heaven. She suffered a lot, kafi, you know, takleef, and may her soul rest in peace. That's all I can say.
I will say a couple of words. She was a very brave, loving person, and we are fortunate that we met her, knew her, and pray to God to keep her in ever loving embrace that she fully realized. Thank you.
Thank you, Usha ji. Thank you, Vinod ji. Anybody else would like to speak for Mata ji?
I just would like to say a few words. She was an amazing, amazing lady for the life that she led after her husband died. He died when she was only 25 years old, left her with 4 children, 4 boys, and how she managed. She was just an amazing manager of her life and her children's life. And I have to say that whenever I went to see her, she would say to me, "Tu mainu dasya kyun nahi? Main kuch banana si tere lai. मैं पुलाव बनाना सी, मैं कुछ बनाना सी." ऐसे माता जी मैं तभी तो नहीं बताती आपको जब मैं आती हूँ, क्योंकि फिर आप हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ बनाते हो मेरे लिए. And whenever I used to take her for shopping to Flushing for her rations, Viren ji used to say to me, "Mata ji se ek paisa nahi lena aapne. Don't take one iota from her. Buy whatever she wants." And Mata ji, we would do that. We had so many nice times together, hard times for her. And I just prayed to God that please release her now. She has suffered so much, so much. I just pray even now that God give her soul peace. She was an amazing teacher, amazing. She has taught me so much with her life and her giving nature. Thank you. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Manjuji. We also have Mataji's grandson, Ranjanji, with us. Ranjanji, would you like to say?
And you thank you, everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you to all of you uh, conducting this whole Shraddhanjali to Biji. I called her Biji because she was my grandma. Give me a second, please. So thank you, everyone. I'm gonna say a few words about Biji. Like somebody just said, she was 25 years old when my granddad died, and she had 4 boys. And just imagine being a single woman in those days. Raising the 4 kids by herself and had no support financially, emotionally from anyone. And she was so strong. She raised 4 children by herself with nothing back home in India. And I do remember, because I don't know, some of you know, I did not have mother. I never saw my mother. And I think I was 3 years old. And she raised me, my sister. I think my sister was 9 months old that time. And this woman, my grandma, has done everything for the family. She came here in this country for greater good because of her children, to give them the best life. She brought her children over here. And then, we came here, me and my sister. What I want to say is, in a nutshell, she was a very brave woman. I don't think those women, can be created, because she was very selfless. She have helped. She have helped so many people in her journey. And this is what I'm hearing right now is, I knew that she have a lot of friends and back home in New York. We are in Seattle now, but this is the legacy she left. Everybody leaves a legacy. We are not the legacy. It's the friends who highly talked about her is a legacy she left. And it was a tough decision for all of us for the last moment, especially for me, because I loved her so much, and my sister. And I want to say thank you to Ranjana Aunty ji, Rekha ji, and a few people I spoke to for the support at the last minute of our journey. And all I want to say, this woman was very brave, selfless. She had always spoken positives. I never heard she always come every year to see us when we were in California or in Seattle, and she has spent great time with us here. That's all I can say. I mean, those women, these kind of women cannot be created anymore, because I have seen so many things in my life, and BG was truly, truly, truly a soldier, even to the last minute. And thank you all once again for all the support for the last minute and the last week or so. And also in her life, the role you have played, I think she left in a peace. She made so many good friends and very, very positive friends who had care about her. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ranjanji. Truly, I feel blessed that I got a chance to participate here and listen about Mataji. As Rekha ji said, we must celebrate her life and begin our new year by being more selfless and giving, and help whomever we can in our community and in the society that we live in. So, anyone else would like to speak for Mataji? So, we can conclude with Aarti. Chandarji?
Geetaji, can I speak a few words?
Yes, Rakeshji, please go ahead.
Hello. I have known Mataji also for several years, but in a different capacity. I knew her as a patient and as my very good friend at the Arya Samaj. And after she was out of the hospital several years ago, she started attending, or at least I met her at the Arya Samaj. And whenever she came, I somehow would first go and greet her. I don't know what was between us, but I always had this urge to go and say hello to her before I met other people. And I always told her, are you ready for a marathon now? Now that you're out of the hospital. And we just joked around, and she was a lovely, lovely woman. And like everybody said, she was very, very positive. And there are a lot of things to learn from her. And when I communicated with Dr. Chowdhury, he told me so many nice things about her resilience, about her strength, and so many things that we discussed. And I really cherish her friendship as a very good friend of mine, I should say, a very loving friend. And I wish her her soul rests in peace, and something she left behind for us to learn from her. Thank you.
I think सुशील काजी जी, चंदर जी एक मिनट, सुशील जी आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? सुशील गांधी, हाँ जी।
मैं माताजी के साथ हमारे संबंध तो बहुत पुराने थे। I was running the Arya Samaj in Westchester. I had to know her, and she was a close family friend, and we would be, talking to her very often while we were there. And she was like a family member to us also, like many of you have said. I only
People are shedding so many tears for her that speak so highly about the lady. That's all I can say. Praising her, crying for her. So there's a lot of emotion involved there. It speaks so much about Mataji. But my regret is that I didn't get a chance to talk to her for 15 minutes. That's my biggest regret, and I'm very ashamed of myself.
Yeah, I'd like to add just a little bit. Mataji came to our Samaj, knowing her background. It became apparent to me that she needed the support of the family, which is Arya Samaj family. Now I'm talking, and being in the executive committee at that time, I think we took a special care to welcome her over there, welcome in the family of the Samaj people. So, and help her in any way. We visited her in her home a few times in Montesto. And I know Manju and Rangana, they all helped very much in establishing her in where she was. And I think it was all because of because we were all felt, the service that we did to our members. And so I'm very proud that, we were able to do something for her, even though so little it was. And I hope that, all members should take up the desire to do that something similar in the future.
Special thanks to Ranjana and Mahendra for taking such good care of her.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sushilji. We also have with us Mataji's granddaughter, Rashika ji, and she would like to speak.
Namaskar, everyone. First of all, thank you to the host for hosting a very wonderful ceremony for Dadima. That I used to call her Dadima. I know, like, no, everyone used to call her either Mataji or BG, but I used to call her Dadima because, and she used to tell me, why do you call me Dadima? Why don't you call me BG? But then that was my that was like my love for her. I used to call her Dadima. And then I know, like, everyone been saying, like the pain. I know she's been through so much pain, but being the youngest member of the family, like, she never even made us, especially me, she never even made us realize what she was going through over these years. And then I always will have like happy memories of her. I so remember, like, when I was young, like, she would used to visit us every year in India, and I would take a day off from school, like, thinking like she's coming to visit us. I have, like, such an amazing and a wonderful memory of her, spending time with her. And I'm sure not all, like, everyone know, but I used to wait for her here to visit us to India. And even when I left, like, even after I got married, she used to tell me, you need, she gave me her picture. The last memory I have of her is that she gave me her picture saying, when you, after you get married, keep my picture and always remember me as your Dadima, not your BG, because she's always going to be my Dadima no matter where she is. And all I want to say, all I want to like pray to God wherever she is right now. I'm sure that she's looking to heaven, to all of us, showering us with her blessings. And we should be thankful that we were able to involve in her life and in some way or in some manner. Thank you so much, Ms. Geeta ji, for letting me speak something about her. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashika ji. We also have Ruma and Ashok ji. They would like to speak a few words. आप म्यूट पे हैं.
So again, we were not that close to her, but we did meet her at different things. One of the things that I remember is that when she was with Ranjana and there was that she had only one expense, and her expense was making phone calls to India. So that was our biggest expense, touch with the family. Other than that, we knew her like everybody else, and enjoyed a lot of the parties and all that we had at Ranjana's place. And she was also part of the community. She was part of the family kind of thing. Nobody treated her, differently. So
yeah, she was like a family member for everyone. Yeah. So,
and also with the Manju Khanna, I mean, she had at every stage we had learned that she was helping her to get all the services that are available under the state, and helping her at every stage. So that was she did more than you would do even for a family member. So the fond memories are there.
Thank you. Thank you, Martina Shoji.
I think Tinku Jain may want to speak a few words. Tinku, why don't you say, because she was very close to Mataji too. I don't know if she's still there. Tinku, why don't you say a few words?
You're on mute.
Okay, I'm on mute. Well, like everybody said, I really admire Mataji for her strength, her amazing work ethic, and her positive nature. She lived alone for the past couple of years, and it was amazing how she managed. I know over the years, all of you have really helped her in many ways, whether it was with the doctor's appointment or whether checking up on her. I know she really, really appreciated all your love and support. She's going to be really missed by all of us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Tinku-ji. Anyone else? All right. So we will
Now,
start.
hello. This is Mohinder.
Ji.
This is Mohinder, and I don't know if I'm the last or what, but I had a great relationship with Mataji and many memories. When Ranjana used to work in New York and would come home late, and it would be the girls, myself and Mataji having dinner together, and I would at times talk American politics with her. So Ranjana used to say, why are you talking politics? I said, well, someday she's going to go for an interview for a citizenship. And I would insist on talking to her in English. So, but she learned everything herself. It was really amazing. When we did her green card, she could not sign her name. So we practiced so that she could write Moini Devi. So we practiced so that she could write. And then also she on her own wanted to learn things, and she learned about American culture. We had the place we lived in, there were very few Indians, but she would talk to the neighbors who were Americans. She wasn't shy. And I think she had a wonderful, positive attitude. So commendable. We have remained in touch with her all along. Both my girls have also been in touch with her. Every year they write their Christmas cards with the children's pictures. She knew all the names. So I think it will always remain in our memory, the times we had together. It was 8 or 9 years together, but it was kind of etched in our memory. So I would pray that her soul rest in peace, and she's finally find her home. She has found her home. Thank you all.
Mohinder, she used to always tell me how much money Mohinder saved for me. She was very proud of you for saving all that money for her.
She was almost like a banker, because she would stash money in her room, and then when we ran out of anything, we said, Mataji, can we borrow $20? So
yeah, she told me everything.
Yeah, and she was very happy with that, because she was just outside. She had her own pride and dignity and never asked for money from anyone.
No.
So when we asked her for money, it was a fun thing for her.
Yeah.
Always the same. Mahinder, on that note, when she was going for the citizenship test, you remember there's a 100-question thing that you have to memorize in that. And Parag and me, we used to help her memorizing that. And वो काम करने आती थी, फिर रात में रह जाती थी कि मैं सवेरे पढ़ के फिर जाऊंगी पराग से, या रात में पढ़ के फिर जाऊंगी. अब उनका टेस्ट होता था, हम लोग उनका टेस्ट लेते थे कि उनको कितना याद है. फिर जब उनका सिटीजनशिप का हो गया तो कहते वो तो कुछ पूछा ही नहीं मेरे से, इतना पढ़ के मैंने अपना भेजा कि मुझसे तो कुछ पूछा ही नहीं.
I know, and I think Rekha was also training her for citizenship questions. So I think everyone has played a role in her life, and she's played a role in our lives. So this was a very happy event and a celebration of her life, as Rekha said.
Celebration of her life, really.
Yeah.
Really
So
celebration.
Abhiji and Arya Samaj, thank you again. So Geeta, you can move on.
And her blessings are always with us. And that is one thing I savor, that she blessed all of us so much. And so many times I think of her that, we are here or doing this because she blessed us.
Because she used to say, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਬਸ ਅਸੀਸਾਂ ਹੀ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ.
Yeah, exactly.
Very good at heart, very nice.
Very good at heart.
Yeah.
कुछ
Wherever
भी
she
होती
went,
थी,
people
मेरे
loved her.
कुछ भी होता था, कुछ चाहिए, माता जी मकान नहीं बिक रहा, माता जी नहीं, चल मैं तेरे लिए असीसा देती हूँ, मैं तेरे लिए, मैं हमेशा उनको कहती थी, माता जी प्रे कर दीजिए, थोड़ा सा आशीर्वाद दे दीजिए, आपके आशीर्वाद से ये काम हो जाएगा.
Geeta ji, maybe you can unmute everyone. We can do the aarti now.
वो जितेंद्र जी सब आरती करेंगे ना तो echo होएगी.
Yeah.
So maybe after आरती should I unmute everyone, then we can all.
Yeah, चंदर जी आरती करवा देंगे.
जी.
ले गीता जी.
हाँ जी.
मैं छोटा जिहा एक लफ्ज कहना चाहनी लास्ट टाइम.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
जिन्ने भी लोगों ने माता जी दे बारे च किया, इन्हां दे सारियां दे नाम लैके मैनू दसदी सी. अज उन्हें मैनू कॉल कीता, अज उन्हें मैनू कॉल कीता, अज मैनू रंजना ने कॉल कीता, अज मैनू इन्हें कॉल कीता. एक चीज पता नहीं, जिस तरह टेलीफोन आया नहीं शन्नू, अज मैनू इन्हें कॉल कीता, एक दा नाम लैंदी सीगी. और उन्हां दे मैं उन्हां दे पीपल दे पिछे मैं थैंक यू करदी हां कि माता जी नू सारे हौसला इन्ना दिंदे सी, कहंदे शन्नू मेरे फ्रेंड इन्ने हैगे आ ना, मैनू तां हुण किसे दी जरूरत ही नहीं है. इन्ना अच्छा बोलदी सीगी कि मैं अनफॉरगेटेबल वूमन, अनफॉरगेटेबल. थैंक यू फॉर एवरीबॉडी. महिंदर जी तुहाडे बारे दे विच बड़ा बोलदी सी और मैनू हसांदी हुंदी सी कि जदों मैं खाना खांदा, माता जी तुसी टेस्ट कीता? कहंदी नहीं, तैनू पता मैं ये चीज़ां नहीं खांदी. कहंदा फिर हाउ तू इन्नी अच्छी चीज किद्दां बनाई, जरूर तू टेस्ट कीता. कहंदी मैं महिंदर मैं नहीं कीता, ना ही मैं फूड खानी है. अच्छा, इन्नी हसांदी सी, हर चीज नू हसांदी सी. और she was a woman, incredible woman. This is my last. And माता जी कहंदे सी कि मैं गौरी माता दी सेवा करनी, ਉਹ ਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ अच्छा रख रही है. And I will also pray for Mata Gauri Mata. शेरां वाली माता कदी कहंदी सी मैं ओदी करांगी, और मैं भी ओदी प्रार्थना माई दी करांगी कि ये वुमन स्वर्ग च जाए. थैंक यू फॉर एवरीबॉडी. थैंक यू. अब आप आरती कर.
हाँ जी, संजीव जी आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं? नहीं, ओके जी. ये वाली आज की श्रद्धांजलि इज ऑल्सो रिकॉर्डेड. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड रहेंगे तो मैं आपके साथ ये पूरे प्रोग्राम की रिकॉर्डिंग भी शेयर करूंगी, तो हम माता जी को और याद रखेंगे. चंदर जी आरती.
थैंक यू.
जय. ओम जय जगदीश
हरे,
स्वामी जय जगदीश
हरे,
भक्त जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट
क्षण में
हरे. ओम जय जगदीश
हरे,
ध्यावे फल पावे, दुख बिन से मन का स्वामी, दुख बिन से मन का सुख संपत्ति घर आवे, सुख संपत्ति घर आवे, कष्ट मिटे तन का. ओम जय जगदीश हरे। मात पिता तुम मेरे, शरण गहूँ मैं किसकी, स्वामी शरण गहूँ मैं किसकी। तुम बिन और न दूजा, प्रभु बिन और न दूजा, आस करूं मैं जिसकी। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। तुम पूर्ण परमात्मा, तुम अंतर्यामी, स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी। पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर, पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर, तुम सबके स्वामी। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। तुम करुणा के सागर, तुम पालन करता, स्वामी तुम पालन करता। मैं मूर्ख खलकामी, मैं सेवक तुम स्वामी, कृपा करो भरता। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। तुम हो एक अगोचर, सबके प्राणपति, स्वामी सबके प्राणपति। किस विध मिलो दया भय, किस विध मिलो दया भय, तुमको मैं कुमति। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। दीन बंधु दुख हरता, तुम रक्षक मेरे, स्वामी तुम रक्षक मेरे। करुणा हस्त बढ़ाओ, करुणा हस्त बढ़ाओ, द्वार पड़ी मैं तेरे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। विषय विकार मिटाओ, पाप हरो देवा, स्वामी कष्ट हरो देवा। श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ, श्रद्धा प्रेम बढ़ाओ, संतन की सेवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। तन मन धन सब कुछ है तेरा, स्वामी सब कुछ है तेरा। तेरा तुझको अर्पण, तेरा तुझको अर्पण, क्या लागे मेरा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। त्वमेव माता च पिता, त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। असतो मा सद्गमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया। मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ द्यौ शान्ति अन्तरिक्षे शान्ति पृथिवी शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
विश्वे देवा
शान्ति
ब्रह्मा
शान्ति
सर्वगम
शान्ति शान्ति देवा शान्ति सामा शान्ति 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 Thank you.
Jitendra ji, I've requested to unmute
Anji.
everyone down here. We can talk.
That was so beautiful. Thank you so much, Chandraji.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you,
Chandraji.
everyone.
It's so nice to see all our old friends from Arya Samaj. It brings back so many good memories of the past when we just joined Arya Samaj 30 years ago. We had seen all of you very active, and it's really a pleasure to see everybody. Moini Gandhi ji, Sushil Gandhi ji, Hyok and Ruma Nagraj ji, Madhu Pratik, Kavita, and there's so many, everybody. It is such a pleasure to see all of you. And thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rakesh.
Thanks, Bobby.
Thank you, Rakesh.
Thank you, Rakesh.
And thank you, Arya Samaj.
Thank you for organizing this.
Great job. Good memories of Mataji. Well done. Thank you.
Mataji would have been very happy.
I'm very thankful for everything Abhijit आपने करा, जितेंद्र जी and Dr. Abhi, जो भी आपने प्रोग्राम बनाया, देर अभी मेरा साथ आपने दिया हर कदम. I'm very thank you very much, and I Usha Kapoor also I'm very thankful that you are taking care of my Zoom and everything, and all the friends who knows Mataji. Great. I'm very thankful. Thank you for everybody. Ranjana ji, Mohinder ji, Usha ji, Mrs. Khanna, Mrs. Malhotra. आपके बारे में सारा कुछ वो मेरे को बताती थी. आज उसने कॉला बहुत सबको याद करती थी. Incredible woman. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Ranjana ji, very much for involving us. We really appreciate. Thank you so much.
I think we have to thank you, Rakesh ji, and Abhi ji, and Jitendra ji. Thank you again. Thank you, Geeta, for running this so wonderfully.
Thank you so much. And may her
Pleasure
soul
to
rest.
meet everyone.
I'm sure she's somewhere up in heaven. So
Thank you, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskar. Thank you.
Sign off.
Yes,
Namaste.
please.
Namaste.
तो मेरे को भेज देना.